Okay, I wanted to give you another view of kind of the trails here. That one of the highlights here at the inn is this beautiful, now it's spring and it's April, and this is the bluffs. So the Root River Valley is like this, and it has so much to offer and so many places to be, and hiking is one of them. So when you are having a retreat here of any kind, this is one of the things that I encourage people to take advantage of, is just the beautiful scenery of being out in the country. Now, I live in the city, so this feels really magical to me, to be able to just enjoy life among trees. Now, it's spring, so we don't see a lot of leaves right now, but you will in, well, they're all budding. So we've got about another 5 weeks and you'll really see something great. But when you are planning your retreat, especially if you're on a budget and you're trying to keep your retreats at a certain price point, having things like resources available to you that will allow you to kind of up-level your retreat, it's really helpful. So this is just natural space. This is a natural park that's right near the inn. You can easily drive a vehicle here. You could, if you were having a bike retreat, you could bike here. It's just very high incline, so I kind of encourage people to drive here. And it's a place where you can spend a whole afternoon with guests. That our inn only sleeps 30. It has 10 actual rooms. So most of the people that are doing retreats with us at the Wen are doing retreats with just about 8 people. Eight people, and then leadership. So it's a small group. It's easy to pack them in cars and just bring them up to the bluff. And at the bluff, there is kind of lots of open space. There's some trails here. It would be kind of a hiking level 1. And they're not like big, heavy hikes. These are just gentle walkabouts. And there are restrooms up here. They are very humble restrooms, but it's a nature reserve. So, we don't have flushing toilets, but you have, just a nice path. It's green, but it's the bluff. So you get this kind of elevation of thought. It's much easier to see things, when you have a horizon that is 360, and that's why I like this space for retreats, is because it's got this 360 view. It really does kind of make your brain move in areas or move in a way where they can just kind of look at their life differently. This valley has some real meat to it, in that there's a lot of history here. There's a lot of wildlife that's here. There's a lot of birds. There's, there's just not a lot of noise pollution, light pollution. There's not trash on the ground. There's not actual pollution. So it's just this, it's just this view. And in April, it's warm enough. So it's off season. It's a great time to rent the inn. It's a great time to do a week-long retreat. I am doing a week-long retreat right now as I'm doing this video for you. And there's enough here so that your guests have something substantial that they can fall in love with in their own experience, because they can be just surrounded by beauty. And I hope you add it. I hope you add us to your retreat piece, and I hope you add this as one of the retreat spaces that you choose to add on. So thanks for tuning in.